from SK Public CBSE School, Pukeri. Jai Ho everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So today is the new day and today is Monday also, right children? Now you celebrated Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, you finished Gandhi Jayanti and also you finished your Sunday. Weekends are over. Back to your studies. Here I am today with the conversation that is about cleanliness. What is cleanliness? Do you know? Clean. Being clean. Playing out in the mud, coming home, eating. This is cleanliness? No children. So today we are going to learn about cleanliness. Before beginning the class, you have to say the Gayatri Mantra and the God's Prayer. You all finished that? Now, cleanliness, and then we will go for the writing of 2 letters word. You all finished 10 words, right? We will learn again another 10 words today and see that you all remember that. How you will remember? Writing one time, closing and keeping in the bag? No, you have to do reading every day. Okay children? So before beginning writing work, we will start with the orals. So cleanliness. What is cleanliness? You all have your rhyme book. This is your rhyme book? Yeah. In this, you all have to open page number 28. Page number 28. In this, it is given cleanliness. Now there are different types of cleanliness. Personal cleaning, cleaning of your home, cleaning of the surrounding, keeping clean about your school. There are many things. So today we will see only cleanliness about personal and also of your home first. Okay children? Now clean. Morning, whole night you will sleep. Yes? When you get up, you will go and have your breakfast, drink milk. No, what do? You first go to washroom. You go for washroom and you clean whatever was there whole day you had in the dustbin. This is your stomach, right? Now in dustbin you go and throw all the peels. But here you are also putting everything. So this is one small dustbin. Okay children? So whatever you are eating whole day, you are going to washroom in the morning and cleaning. Then you are brushing your teeth, right? You are brushing your teeth. After that you wash your face, have bath, wear clean clothes. Yes? Then you have your breakfast. And next, now you are playing, afternoon lunch is there. What do you have to do? Just play, touch that, this, put your finger in the nose, ears, everything. And mommy give me food? Eating? No. You have to first wash your hand with soap and water. And also after eating food. And after using the toilet also you have to wash your hands. So you should be always washing your hands. Not only eating time. Whenever you have go to drink water, wash your hands. Okay children? So this is personal cleanliness. Now here in this picture, can you see they gave about Sachin. What Sachin is doing? Sachin brushes his teeth twice a day. That is in the morning after getting up, and at night when he is going to bed he is brushing his teeth. So even you have to brush your teeth twice a day. And also he is having bath every day. He is taking the bath every day. After taking the bath he is wearing clean clothes. The clothes which are washed. Not the clean which he is removing and keeping. Again he is not putting that. That he is putting for washing. And he is wearing clean clothes. And also he is washing his hands before and after eating the food. He is also cutting his nails, trimming the nails. Whenever it grows, he is trimming. And whenever his hair are growing, he is cutting. Boys need regular cutting, right children? So this is the personal cleanliness. Brush your teeth twice a day. Have a bath every day. Wear clean clothes. Wash your hands before and after your meals. Trim your nails, trim your hair when it grows. Okay children, these 4 points are enough for you. The next one is cleaning of the home. Now in this book, what Tina is doing? Tina, here is a girl Tina, right? What Tina is doing? Tina is cleaning the cupboard, keeping her clothes properly, not telling mommy to keep. She is only keeping. So you also practice children to keep your things in a proper way. After playing cricket, you are coming home, throwing bat here, ball there. And next time when you want to play, mommy, I want my bat, mommy, I want my ball. It's not correct. So when you play cricket and come, see that you keep your ball and bat in a proper place. And when you are playing with your toys, you are having doctor set, you are having kitchen set, see that you make a carry bag, put all the things in that and keep in a place. And next time when you are playing, you can take it, play and again keep in the place. This will be that you will not lose your things. So this is the way how you can keep your house clean. Okay? And you should not throw papers here and there. Okay children? You all are good children, right? You are growing big now. You go to first standard. So see that you keep your things properly. Now what Tina is doing in that book, can you see? She is folding the clothes, keeping in the cupboard. She is keeping her toys in the proper place, and also she is keeping her shoes and socks also in the proper place. See that your socks are in your shoe and you keep in the shoe rack. Okay children, this is for your health goodness, because nowadays you are seeing many diseases are coming, right? So see that you maintain the cleanliness of personal and also your surrounding. Okay children, understood? So we will now get back to the writing work of 2-letter words. Yes children, now we will start with the writing of 2 letters word. So today's date is 4, okay, Monday. 2 letters word. In the previous class we have finished writing of A and, AT at, IN in, IS is, IF if, ON on, OF off, DO do, UP up, SO so. Now today we will learn 10 more new words. Okay children, you all are ready? Take a pencil, book, 4-line notebook. So first one is AM and. What is this? AM and. I am a girl, right? I am a boy. And. AM and. AM and. Next is B E B. B E B. Be a good boy. Be a good girl. B E B. Next. M E. M E me. Give me the book. Give me the chocolate. Give me a toy. Yes? M-E, me. The next one is H, he. H, he. He is a boy. He is a good boy. He is playing. He is sitting. H-E, he. H-E, he. Next is G-O. G-O, go. Go to sleep. Go to school. Go to dance. G-O, go. Next. N-O, no. No. N-O, no. No, I don't want. No, I don't know. No, I will It. It is a table. It is a cat. It is a chalk piece. S. This is a chalk piece. It is a car. It is a tree. You say right? S. Next. U-S. Us. U-S. Us. Give us this. When there are more, you will tell give us this bag. Give us. Okay? U-S. Us. U-S. Us. Next. B-Y. By. B-Y. By. This is not this by. Not by. Okay? By the means by. Back. I am by the what? SK Public School. Okay? B-Y. By. The next one is M-Y. My. What is your name? My name is Ruth. What is your name? So you will tell my name is Shilpa. My name is Tina. My name is Basu. Okay? My. This is my bag. This is my cycle. You will tell right? Yeah. So, M-Y. My. We'll read once again. A-M. An. A-M. An. B-E. B. B-E. B. Be a good children. M-E. Me. M-E. Me. H-E. He. He is my brother. He is my father. G-O. Go. Go to school. Don't want, go to playground. N-O. No. N-O. No. I-T. It. I-T. It. U-S. Us. U-S. Us. B-Y. By. M-Y. My. So children, these are two-letter words. Two-letter words. You have to write this how many times? 2 times. And also you have to read. So 10 plus 10, 20 two-letter words you all are learned. Okay, see that? Keep this in your mind. Connected this, when we add a letter, you will come to know it makes one more word. That will be 3-letter words. So, I will be back with that in the next class. Till then,